Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to compare cars in the Carlist.my app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Carlist.my app. And below the search bar you can see here sell your car, your saved cars, and compare cars. Tap on compare cars, and here on the blue button you can tap on add car, and here you have to select a brand. Then you have to select the model. You can select the condition and the state where you are looking for. Tap on show cars, and if you scroll down and you like something, then tap on the picture, and next to the price you can see here a calculator icon and the car icon, and it writes VS. Tap on it, then you select it. But there is another way. If you scroll down and you like one, then next to the contact to the left you see this icon again. If you tap on it you can easily select to compare, and on the bottom you can see here compare and filter. Tap on compare, and here is these two cars, and next to each other is compared. For example, the first one is from 2010, and the second one is from 2014, and so on if you scroll down. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.